You may be asking yourself, is there any way I can make money out of Instagram? Because sitting here all day with your phone browsing on social media, wasting all of your precious time, isn't going to earn you money. What if I tell you that you can, on Instagram? Before I start, are you looking for more content like this? Hit that subscribe button below. And be sure to watch till the end of the video, so you don't miss out on any valuable information. Like any streaming social media platforms such as YouTube and TikTok where you can earn money with views, sponsors, etc., with Instagram you can also earn money in various ways. You can do affiliate marketing, where you get commissions per sold products. You can be an influencer, where you can charge a brand for sponsored content, become an online seller, flipping and growing accounts, and many more. The best thing about this is that you can do multiple careers at the same time, if you want to earn big amounts of money. But the main key to earning money on Instagram is dependent on your followers. The more followers you have, the more options you can choose, and the more brands you attract. However, it doesn't necessarily require you to have 100,000 followers or 1 million to start. Micro-influencers that have 1,000 to 10,000 followers tend to get more success than those who have higher followers according to research. Another key aspect is that it's not just about numbers in terms of followers, it's also about how engaged and loyal your audience are on your Instagram. So even though you have 100,000 followers and most of them are fake or don't even know who you are, it doesn't make a huge impact on your content, especially if you are working as an influencer for multiple brands. Now we move on to the main part of the video where we discuss some of the careers to earn money on Instagram. The most common way to make money on Instagram is working with brands and getting sponsorship. Many influencers that have a certain amount of followers find brands to work with and get sponsored posts. Influencers on Instagram are content creators who share viral content or set new trends. Audiences trust influencers with the opinions and subjects they share. Often the audience of an influencer will call them experts. That is why some brands partner with influencers to boost their products and gain some exposure. Another great thing is that you can also choose the brands you want to work with, as same as brands choose their influencers. There are sites to find brands to partner with such as Grapevine, Indahash, CrowdTap, just to name a few of them. One guideline on how much you can earn as an influencer is that most marketers charge 1 cent per follower, so if you have over 10,000 followers you can earn $100 per post. Other factors also come into play like ads, videos, or stories. Most deals between brands and influencers can be negotiated, according to how many followers you have and the brand's market. Keep in mind that it's also noteworthy to respect your audience's trust when getting sponsored posts. Another way to make money on Instagram is being an affiliate. In affiliate marketing, like an influencer, you will find brands to partner with. However, in affiliate marketing, you focus more on the sales, and not just at the product's or brand's awareness. Affiliate marketing can be done by making reviews, and afterwards adding links of the brand's webshop in your Instagram bio. You could also give away promo codes on your posts to gain sales. To find brands that are looking for affiliates, websites such as Reward Styles, ClickBank and Amazon Associates are some to start with. One common thing about being an affiliate is gaining commission every time a product is sold. For example, if you review a product that is over $50, and you get 10% commission, you will earn $5 every time that product is sold. But there are also a few things to look out for. As an affiliate, you need to balance your original content and promotional content, in that way you don't lose your respect from your viewers. Too many promotional posts can lead to losing trust from your audience. Another advice is to only review products that you and your audience would use. Flipping themed accounts is another way to make money on Instagram. Most people on Instagram don't know the true value of their themed accounts. Themed accounts are mostly for businesses and are much more easy growing than a regular or personal Instagram account. This is the way flipping accounts works. Firstly, people sell their accounts for a relatively low price. After the account is sold, the buyer grows that bought account. Then the buyer can sell it for a much higher value. There are many reasons why people sell their account. It could be because they don't have time to grow their themed accounts anymore. Or maybe they just have no use for it anymore. Most themed accounts prices range depending on the followers and engagement rates. One guideline to follow is that if an account has over 5,000 to 10,000 followers, and it has an engagement rate from 10 to 30%, you can sell it for about $100 to $150. If you want to start in this kind of business, it is noteworthy to start on a small budget, especially if you don't have any knowledge when it comes to flipping accounts. After buying an account, wait for a couple of months to grow the account to get a better profit. Also, be on the lookout for scammers. It is better to find someone you trust and work with in this kind of business. It is better to use escrow services. You can also earn money by growing and selling accounts on Instagram. Just like flipping themed accounts, you sell your accounts for a reasonable and high price. But instead of buying themed accounts, you will create and grow them. To grow an account, you must first choose in what niche your account will be. You could do anything. A couple of popular niches are traveling, cooking, fashion, and health. After you have made an account, you can use an autopilot or automation software that allows the account to get engagement and followers over time without doing that manually. The difference between growing and flipping accounts is that flipping is easy and only takes a small amount of time to grow but requires a budget to do so, while creating and growing themed accounts from scratch is free, but takes a long process and requires patience. The great aspect about this career is that you can grow as many multiple accounts as you like, and then you can sell them for a high price. When you are starting an account, always choose a niche or thing you are passionate about. Then you can share your knowledge and grow the account with fun. Managing other accounts is also similar to growing and flipping accounts, but in this part, however, you can charge monthly fees to clients that let you handle their accounts for growing. This career is only for experienced people who know how to build an audience and engage and post viral content to get many views. Instagram media managers' rates can range from $25 to $35 per hour. Becoming an online seller is another way to make money on Instagram. The best thing about becoming an online seller on Instagram is that you don't have to work with other brands or people to earn money. You control the earnings of your business. Just like any online seller on other social media platforms, you can sell products and services, and you can create your online store. There are a few ways to start your online business. There are online print-on-demand services that are great for selling t-shirts, jeans, posters, hoodies, etc. You can sell digital products. You can also sell services of your choice. When you are going to sell online, always put webshop links at every product you sell, and make sure to use Instagram shopping for better convenience for your customers. Nowadays, Instagram has many ways to earn money, and a lot of people are becoming successful. Consulting is one of them. Instagram consultants are the ones that help others grow and perfect their brand and market. They are more experienced and are considered problem solvers in Instagram marketing. They provide opinions, suggest better content, analyze trends and audience engagements. Consulting is pretty straightforward. Clients look for you, or you look for clients that need your expertise. Consultants earn hourly depending on how the deal was negotiated. You sit with them on a video or voice call. In that call, you give all the necessary information to fully optimize their brand. Consultation rates can range from $120 to $250 per hour depending on your work experience and the type of client you are handling. Usually consulting is only for the experienced and successful, and must have vast knowledge in the Instagram business. Ultimately, Instagram has over 1 billion users, so it's easy to grab a business opportunity when you see one. Right now, social media is currently taking over the internet. Mainly because of the pandemic. More users are just sitting in their homes and browsing through social media for countless hours. So I suggest you take advantage of it and start your Instagram business and start earning big money today. If you already started earning money on Instagram, do you have any tips for beginners? If you do, please leave a comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Also make sure to leave a like down below. See you in the next one.